Sana all ang Pilipinas talaga. Ano masasabi mo, Tita Trin? Isang malalim na buntong hininga from Tita Trin. Iling-iling na lang sa ganda ng kanilang skyway. There's a skyway on top of the skyway.
Over the skyway,
Yeah.
the skyway.
Yeah. 3 layers daw to. So, kumusta naman Pinas? So, paano?
May
Kita
skyway under the flag.
Yun lang. Napunta sa bulsa ng kunino man. Naging sasakyan at naging Hermes bag.
Sama mo
Yan
si
yung flood
Mayo.
control. May payong. The famous payong.
Rolls payong.
Oo. Rolls Royce.
Si Roy.
Yun ang masaklap na katotohanan. Buti na lang nakapag-travel tayo on our own.
Earn money.
Correct, on our own. Yeah. Diba? There's an MRT there? Nice. This one, this is the one going to the airport. Okay. But we don't want to be hassled with that, so we will be riding with you for the transfer going to the airport on September 20. So anyone who would want to come here in Taiwan, you can contact Robert. He's a very efficient driver. He can be your guide. So for now, we're going to Taichung. Yeah, Taichung. So that's
There's a lot of outlet here. Outlet.
Yeah. The stores, yeah.
It's
Where we
cheaper,
can
right?
buy cheaper prices. Yeah. And Miss Trina is going to buy everything.
It's a shopping outlet. A lot. Plenty. Many.
Oo, diba? So that one,
The
is
MRT.
it MRT or train? LRT. Ewan ko.
MRT yata.
MRT. You call it MRT, no?
You go to the airport there, neighbor, have the outlet, go there, outlet.